So I'm slightly in a rush because I have a meeting at 1:30. We actually planned it for a later time period today and then changed it at the last very minute, so that's why I'm trying to make the most of my time right now, because it's literally like 15 minutes left till my online meeting. I woke up kind of late. I would never recommend, I mean, my sleep schedule nowadays, it's totally messed up. It's totally messed up, and one of my goals nowadays is like waking up early. I still trust my, let's say, productivity levels, but I need to wake up earlier, get done more. Just finished the meeting. I think I will complete my English studying for today really quick, because to be honest, it doesn't take that much time. So I will do that, and then we'll have some breakfast. Then the weather today is just amazing. It feels like summer almost. So I want to go out to do some cafe work, and then we'll see how it goes. Alright, outfit is on. I just prepared my bag, and something in my outfit feels like business woman vibes are going on. So far I'm done with the online meeting, English study. Also, there was a pin that I needed to publish on Pinterest, which I've done early in the morning. Now we can go and do a few other admin work stuff, such as video planning. And one of my goals nowadays is learning more about investing, so I will also check out some resources about that. Not so fun, but I need to get them done. Lastly, it will be amazing to do a cardio workout, because I don't have the luxury to postpone my workouts, because tomorrow I have another workout and I work out almost every day. So yeah, that was all. By the way, the place you see right now is the second floor of our house. But to me, here is not an apartment, but a fitness studio. Merhaba. İyi akşam. Yani yorumların yaklaşık %50'si aynen ses tek taraftan geliyor. Bunu nasıl başardınız? Bunu izlerken falan filan. Onlara cevap yazıyorum yani. Course is finally done. I'm heading back home and it's freezing cold right now. I'm just so excited to have a comforting dinner. Dinner is served. So I have some beans over here with some bread. This is Greek yogurt with some garlic. It's my favorite. This is actually a healthier version of rice with some veggies inside. And this is basically spinach. Also, I have some fruits over here as my dessert. Let's dig in.